Hi guys, I've come with a home remedies for cough and unnecessary colds. Hope you enjoy my recipe. So guys, now I'll just show you what I'll use for my recipe, and this is a very simple home remedy. You can do it anytime, and this is the things which I'm going to use. I'm going to use onion, I'll use ginger, I'll use garlic, I'll use thyme, and I'll use lemon, and I have 3 limes there, and I'll use the mint leaves. So watch me making that. Hope you enjoy, and you need water, and you need a plate and something to cut or mix your lemons and everything. So guys, as you can see, I've already cut my limes and my lemons, and I've removed the seeds. And here I have my red onion, white onion, garlic, and ginger, which I've blended. And now what I'll do is, so guys, in my pot now I'll just put my grinded and remove my remaining onion and garlic. I'll just pour the water so that I can remove everything there, as you can see in the video, the way I'm doing it. And I'm pouring warm water, not very warm, but just a little bit warm. And then I will just remove that and put it aside. And then after that, what I'll do is just put all my mixture there. I'll put my garlic, my lemons, my lime, and everything. As you can see there, I'm just putting everything in my pot. Guys, make sure to wash your hands before you start putting the things in the pot like I did. So I'll just put everything there. That's just me putting my mixed garlic and ginger, onions. I'll just put everything inside, and then put my lemons and my limes, and I'll just put everything in general. You just have to mix everything in your pot, and then I'll let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, guys, you can see how everything was mixed, and then I'll turn off my heat, and I'll just have some of that because I was not feeling well, so I just got a cup of that. As you can see in the video, guys, that's how you want your mixer to look. So guys, I went ahead and got myself some of that, the medicine I made. I'll just put that in the cup. And guys, I'm sorry about that everything is just going down. It's gonna be messy because I had a baby in my other arms. So guys, I just put some of that, not a lot, just a little bit, because this thing is so strong and it can be bitter, guys. Just know that because it's so strong. And then my remaining medicine, I'll just put it in the fridge when it's cold so that I can use it another time when I need it again. And I'll drink that every 2 hours. And then guys, in my cup, what I'll do is I'll get my mint leaves, the fresh one, guys. I'll get some of that and then put in my cup. And I have my lovely honey from one of the shops here in Denmark. And then I'll just mix that, guys. I had 2 teaspoons of that. I put 2 teaspoons of honey in my cup, and then 2 or 3 mint leaves, and then I enjoy my cup over medicine. There you have it, guys. It's simple and easy home remedy for cough and colds. Hope you enjoy, and hope you're going to make that for your friends and families. See you in my next video. Bye.